Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn about how to create users via REST API in WordPress. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So to create a user, we have already created the REST API. So let's go beyond this. Okay, create custom API endpoint to create users, right? So this is our endpoint, that is create user. Method is post create user endpoint, that's a callback function, right? Other here you can see that add action, REST API in it, custom create user API in it, right? So here we need to add our logic. Okay, so this is a request. In the request we are going to get all the parameters like the username, email and the password. If missing fields, then username, email, and the password are required and status 40. If everything is goes right, then WP create user with username, password, and the email. Okay. If is error user ID create user error, you can state with the 500 if something goes wrong with this user ID, right? If it is not created. Okay, then retrieve the you created users data. I want to retrieve that whatever what the data is created. So get user by their ID and the user ID. Okay, and just prepare the data user data what is fetched. So ID, username, email, and the name. Add more fields as you require, then return the formatted user. Okay, let's try to check this one. So here we have this one, create user. So currently I have to create the one user. So here I will add the technical something John Doe, right? John Doe, this is username John Doe 90, and here I'm going to add my John Doe, and password would be same, right? Let's try to create. This is ID 5. Let's create ID 6, John Doe. If I go and check the fetch all users, here you can see sixth result should be there, right? So where it is, this is John Doe. You can see John Doe is here, right? And this user is created. Let's go to the dashboard also. Users. We load this one. John Doe is there. John Doe at the millionaire subscriber, right? So this is how we are successfully able to create the user. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I will come later on for the series like how to fetch the products, categories, each and everything in the later videos. If you want that more, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.